Mm. 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 Mm-mm. Hello, all of you beautiful people out there. It is me, Madison. I hope you're doing such a what today, you guys. I did it. I did it again. I've outdone myself again. Today, you guys, I have TGI Fridays here in front of me. Yep, that's it. I recreated vegan versions of TGI Fridays. Yes. The very first thing you think of when you think of TGI Fridays, right, is their loaded potato skins. Check this out. I recreated the loaded potato skins from TGI Fridays. I've got the Jack Daniel's bacon burger right here with the Jack Daniel's glaze that I made from scratch, bacon, and some cheese. And then right here, I was looking at their website, on the TGI Fridays website, and I saw that they had a new menu item, which was the Philly cheesesteak egg rolls. And the best part about these egg rolls that I recreated is they were served on their menu. It said they were served with a specialty craft beer cheese dipping sauce. So that is what I made also to go with these egg rolls. You guys, I'm so freaking excited. I can't wait. Something very special about this video, y'all, is I was contacted by these two lovely students from UT. That's where y'all are from, right? Yeah. And they reached out to me because they are doing a documentary on mukbangers. So they are actually here filming me. Jessica is actually right here behind the camera filming me film a mukbang. You guys, it's so weird. So if you want to see when their documentary is ready, I'm gonna link it up here, so go check that out. I'm also gonna put it in a link in the description also, and then I'm gonna mention also in my video when it's ready. So please go check out that documentary. I'm so excited to see how it turned out. You guys, they filmed me doing everything, cooking, all kinds of stuff. They did an interview. It was really, really fun. So again, I'm going to link it up there and in the description box when it's ready. Should be a couple weeks. Okay, so let me stop talking and get into the food. I'm going to explain how I made everything also. Okay. Okay, you guys, so let's start with these because I literally cannot wait to eat these. So this dipping sauce is actually, I've used this in my videos before. This is the Honest Stand. This is the cheddar style dip. I get it at Wheatsville if you are in the Austin area or have a Wheatsville near you. And then I use the Morningstar Philly cheesesteak strips, onions, bell peppers. Oh my gosh. You guys, this cheese sauce is no joke. I just put it in a pan with some chow cheese, also the tomato cayenne, and then I put some beer in it. I just cracked open a can and poured it in there, and it turned out delicious. Now I know why people put beer in stuff, you know? Okay, oh my god, this is so good. You guys, I also have a lot to tell you. Some shit has gone down, let me tell you. Before I forget, let me give you guys a close-up because you need one. Look at that. I mean, look at that burger. That's what dreams are made of. Don't deny it. Okay. Okay, and then I made the loaded potato skins. You guys, this sauce right here is vegan cream cheese. It's like the Go Veggie cream cheese. I used the Daya cheddar cheese in there. You know I love the McCormick bacon bits, so I put that in there. Oh my god, I'm so excited. And then I also have some hot sauce I'm probably gonna put on them. Look at that. I know the lighting is so terrible. I'm sorry, you guys. You guys are always like, everything is so good to you. I'm like, I know. Everything tastes so good. But this is really good. Oh, wow. I need some hot sauce on it. I love this stuff. It's the El Yucateca hot sauce that they try to sell you in Mexico for like $5 a jar. Well, you can get it at H-E-B for $1.74. Can't fool me. Okay. Wow. So I'm gonna bite into this burger, and then I'm gonna get into what I have to tell you. So I made the Jack Daniel's glaze from scratch. Look at this. Look how thick it is. Look at that. I haven't tried it yet. Oh, it looks so good. It's like minced onion and garlic and brown sugar, pineapple juice, soy sauce, teriyaki sauce. I'm gonna link a recipe down below so you can check it out. Okay. Oh my goodness. This is gonna get messy, you guys. Look at that. Oh, I'm so sorry the lighting is shit. Okay. Let me take a drink of water first. Okay. Oh. Gotta give Jessica the close up. So good. Wow. This is, oh, food just came out of my mouth. You guys, I'm not even kidding. This is one of the best burgers I've ever made. It does have that sweet sauce on it. And you know, sugar is like my favorite. So that's probably why I like it so much. But damn, this is good. For the burger patties, I use the Beyond Meat burgers. You guys know, if you've ever had these, you know that they're just freaking delicious. I already got lipstick on my face. Story of my life. Okay, you guys. So now I have to get into what I have to tell you, which kind of sucks. But last week, okay, I was at work last week, and I was finishing up my shift, and I got a text from my brothers. It's like a group text from one of my brothers to my other brother and me, right? Dude, these are so good. And I see it, but I like put my phone down because I'm like finishing up. I'm like, I'll check it in a minute. So I go finish up my shift, and in the back of my head, I'm like, okay, like that doesn't sound right. Like, why would my brothers just be texting us alone late at night? Like, that's just so weird. So then I like go check my phone, and my brother was like, Mom fell. She's on her way to the hospital. And I'm like, fuck. Like, my heart sank. I was so sad. Like, immediately I was just like, oh my God, what do I do? What do I do? So I like left work, and I drive out to where she is, and then the hospital is like a little bit further out than that. So it was like an hour drive, and I'm like so worried the whole friggin' time because, you know, it's your mom. So I was like extremely worried about her. So I get there, and they like let me go to the back, and I go to the back, and my poor mom is lying there, and I go, she has on like this really like tight fitted top, and I go, and it was like really cute, and I go, Mom, oh my God, that's so cute. Like, that's the first thing I say, not are you okay? Oh my God, you look so cute. She did. She looked so cute. Her hair was like all perfect, and she had on this cute little top or whatever. And she goes, I stepped on the cat when I was trying on my bathing suit. Turns out she had on her bathing suit, and she stepped on the cat when she was trying on her bathing suit, and she ended up falling and breaking her hip, which is very sad. It's a very sad thing. But so we were in the hospital all that night. We didn't get to because we were in an outside town from Austin, and we had to get taken to a hospital in Austin. So we didn't get home. We didn't get home. We didn't get to the hospital and into her room. Okay, I got to the hospital at 10 o'clock. I'll get you a good one, girl. Be prepared for burps coming. We didn't get to the hospital. That one was okay. It was a little airy. I'll get another one. We didn't get to the hospital or her room until 6:30 in the morning. And I got there, at 10 o'clock? What did I say? I didn't sleep a wink that night. My poor mom. Dude, if you've been through any kind of experience like that, doctors are coming in and out and in and out, and nurses are in and out and in and out, and nobody talks to each other in these environments. So every time the nurse or doctor comes in, it's the same questions. Do you have any past ailments? Have you had any other surgeries? There you go.
Can you do one more?
Oh,
sorry.
She wasn't recording, you guys. Okay. So we must have seen like 50, 60 people. And I'm not even kidding. I mean, we went through so many people. Anyways, we didn't get there until 6:30 in the morning. I barely slept. Like, you know, when you like pass out, but you're still like awake. And it's like impossible to sleep with people coming in and out of your room, and you know you're so worried about your mom. And my mom's a trooper, you guys. She didn't even complain once. Not once. Okay. Oh, I love her. So anyways, she had surgery the next day. And this is how much of a trooper she is. I'm not even eating, you guys. She had surgery that day. It was a Friday. The next morning, because she got out of surgery around 4 o'clock. The next morning, it was like 5 in the morning. She's walking. She's walking with a walker. I'm like, oh my God, like how? She's like, I'm not staying in this damn bed. I love her. So now we're in the rehab hospital. I've been with her every night. I can't leave her. It's so sad. Like, I would know that I would never want to go through anything like that alone. So I've been with her every night. They have like little couches for you to sleep on. And the nurses are so nice, you guys. Oh my God, they're so nice. I'm like, maybe I should be a nurse. And let me tell you what. Those nurses and doctors work their ass off. I thought I worked my ass off. These people are the most hardworking, dedicated people I've ever known. So, my mom is in the hospital. I came here to do this mukbang because I took off work. And then after this, I'm going to go back to the hospital. Oh, and you guys want to hear something? Oh my God. Okay. I'm just going to have this red mark on my face. Okay. So how do I put this lightly? Okay. So one of the nurses comes in, and she wants to become a nurse practitioner. Sorry, I'm gonna pick my teeth. You guys like how I say sorry for picking my teeth, but I don't say sorry for burping? And she, like, we started having conversation, and she goes, "Oh, I'm vegan," or whatever, and then we have a conversation about that. And then I said, well, what made you become vegan? And she was like, well, I started doing all this research about how it's so much better than for you, and how vegetarians live a much longer time than a carnivore would, and vegans even longer. And she was just like, you know, I'm taking an ethics class right now, and I've been doing all my presentations on like animal rights and stuff. I'm like, yes, this is my kind of girl. And then, So a couple hours later, the nurse practitioner comes in, and then my mom and her are talking, and I'm not part of the conversation. And then something comes up about, and then I hear the nurse saying, yeah, and then she said, she said, the majority of your protein needs to come from animal-based proteins. And I like perk up. I'm like, so what? I'm like, can I be part of this conversation now? And she was like, yeah. It's because most of the people don't supplement or get enough protein if they just eat plants. And I'm like, so you're saying it's healthier for these people to just eat mostly meat for their protein? She's like, yeah. And I'm just so confused. I'm like, okay. I didn't argue with her, but I just wanted to hear what she had to say. Like, okay, lady. I don't believe you. I'm not going to listen to you, though. That's what I'm thinking in my head. I'm like, I can't argue with the nurse practitioner. Sriracha. I took this with me to the hospital. I'm like, I can't be away from my sriracha. So anyways, that's what's been going on with me. And then another weird thing happened. I was driving down the road going to the hospital, and I see this truck stalled on the side of the road in the lane, like in the traffic. And I'm like, well, I better try to help this person. So I pull over, and as I'm walking up, it's a lady, and she's on her cell phone with the car on in the middle of the road. And I'm like, what are you doing? So I say, do you want, put it in neutral or whatever, and I'll help you push it. She's like, I can't. Something about the transmission, something, and it's stuck and it won't move or whatever. And she's like stressing out. She's like, it won't move. And I'm really scared because I'm in the middle of traffic. And I said, girlfriend, call 311, have a cop come down and get behind you. Because she called a tow truck. She said it wasn't going to be there for like another hour. So she like gets all calm or whatever. I'm like, oh man, that sucks. That happens to your truck. And she goes, you know what? This isn't even my truck. I go, oh.
Sorry,
Monica, I can cut it out.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah. Okay, keep going.
She's like, this isn't even my truck. I go, what do you mean? She's like, okay, get this. I've been up since 4 a.m. from work. Just got home. Haven't even put my bags down yet. And I'm walking out of my house. I'm walking into my house. And walking out of my house is my son. And he's dressed in a suit and tie. And I'm like, all my burps are dedicated to Jessica today. So where was I? He comes out walking out in a suit and a tie, and he's like all flustered and rushed. And so he goes, I'm going to prom, Mom. I gotta go. And she's telling me the story. She's like, I just wanted to take his picture, and he was in such a rush, he wouldn't even let me take his picture. So then I'm like, oh, what the hell? So then he leaves in his truck, okay? And then I guess she's like barely putting her bags down, and she gets a call, and it's her son, saying, Mom, the truck is broke down, and I need to get to prom. I need you to come help me. And so she drives over there in her car and gives her son her car, and is left to deal with the mess of the broken down truck. Now let me tell you something. If my son called me and told me to fix his problem, I'd say, you got me confused with another mother, because that's not me. Because I would never do that to my mom. Just have her come fix my problem like that. I don't know. I guess like he was late for prom and he was panicking. He probably needed to go pick up his date or whatever. But I was like, you wouldn't even let your mom take a picture of you, and now you want her to come fix your mess? Call a tow truck, put on the side of the road, get an Uber, go to prom. Right? That's what I would have done. Anyways, You guys, this shit was so delicious, I swear to God. Dip this potato skin in the cheese sauce. Okay, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye! And then I go, oh, I'm so full.
You can do that in your next one.
Yeah, I'll put it on. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye! Oh my goodness, I'm so full. So that's it. That is the behind the scenes mukbang action.
That's amazing. Oh my gosh.
Oh, thank you so much.
I ran out of batteries.
Oh, bummer.
But that's okay.
Oh,
we have an extra one.
Darn.
Okay. You're good. You're good.
Got the backup.
Yes.
Smart.
Mm-hmm.
Thanks for waiting for me. I'm sorry that took
No,
forever.
no. That was really good. I mean, accurate, so.